Hi everyone. Today I am going to present a mobile productivity software that solves a real world problem. The problem I have chosen is maintaining multiple accounts in a single mobile device for few apps. I used Parallel Space app to solve this problem. I have chosen WhatsApp and Snapchat to illustrate this problem through Parallel Space app. Now let's know what is Parallel Space as an application. Parallel Space is a container app for Android devices. It creates a virtualized, isolated environment and allows other apps to running inside. So basically you are running your app on emulator rather than mobile directly. So it allows you multiple accounts on virtual environment. That means it just clones the apps that are installed in your mobile device. Now let's understand the use of parallel space with small and simple example. Imagine your phone is too big to be a big jar where the apps behave as candies. The jar can hold as many candies as possible, but the condition is there is no two candies can be same at a time. In the real sense, you cannot install the same app twice in your mobile phone. So, what if two candies of same type you like them? So you want to put an additional small jar inside the big jar and put one candy in the bigger jar and one in the smaller jar, like this. Well, this is how the parallel space apps work. It is a container app which creates an additional virtual environment where apps are installed, allowing you to run multiple accounts on a same device. The features of Parallel Space app are: you can clone and run accounts of same app simultaneously and use them to style your unique space. Switch fast between accounts with just one tap. It is powerful, stable, and easy to use. One thing it is unique is Parallel Space is based on MultiDroid, the first application virtualization engine on Android. It is less consumption of Parallel Space app. Like it takes the Parallel Space as an app, it takes very less memory in your phone. It provides an incognito installation mode for you, so you can install incognito few apps that are not visible in your phone, but they are visible in Parallel Space app. Well, let's take few instances where you can use Parallel Space that can link your real life. You can balance both your work and your own life. If you have two different social media accounts for each, you can log in to each other at the same time. You can maintain public account and private account, multiple accounts. For example, you have two Facebook accounts, you can maintain them at a time in your phone. The other great thing that you can do with Parallel Space, if you are a gamer, you can have two accounts and play on two characters at the same time and level up faster. This really works with the game Clash of Clans. Now let's see the demonstration of WhatsApp. Using the WhatsApp through parallel space. I am playing a video that I recorded in my phone. The WhatsApp is already cloned in my device and I am opening it. Parallel space give me few suggestions when I am trying to open it for first time. I'm giving my credentials to the WhatsApp, where usually we do this when we log in into WhatsApp for first time. So once I'm logged in, once I'm logged in, I can use it as normal as I do in my normal phone app. I can see the statuses, the calls. I can do everything what I can do in normal WhatsApp. Yeah. Now let's see the demonstration of incognito installation of Snapchat in parallel space. The incognito installation is nothing but you can't see the app in your phone, but you can install that app only through parallel space. It is not visible to anyone that can see your phone apps. Okay, now I'm demonstrating the process through the screenshots. We can open the app and click on this incognito button. The incognito installation page will open up, where you can search for an app to install or try one of the recommended apps from parallel space. When your search is complete, tap the app you want to install. I'm selecting a Snapchat here. The Google Play Store will open up with the app you wanted to install. Hit install button and wait for app to download it and install. Then the app will prompt you to uninstall the app you just installed from home screen to make the app only available through parallel space. No need to go to the home screen through, as app itself offers an uninstall button. Tap on the uninstall the app button. Once you've done it, the three-dot menu button in the main page of the app and set a password to make that app closed, cannot be accessed by anyone else. This is how the incognito installation in the parallel space works. Now let's see what permissions are required when you are installing the parallel space. Parallel space needs to apply for the permissions required by the apps added in parallel space to function normally. For example, if parallel space is not permitted to acquire your location, you will be unable to send your location to your friends in some of apps that run in parallel space. And one more thing, parallel space does not collect your personal information to protect privacy. Now for every app there are few limitations. Parallel space have few limitations. They are: you cannot run two accounts of some social networking apps by using a same mobile number. You should use a different mobile number to run your second account in those apps. Parallel space and ensure that the mobile number is active during your first login, because there will be a verification message sent to your number. For example, in my real WhatsApp, what I have in my phone, I should use one phone number, and the WhatsApp I have in the parallel space, I should use other phone number. The same phone number don't work at both locations. You cannot be online in the cloned app and the real app at the same time. And one more thing, since you are using two apps, if you are using two apps at a time, the battery drain will happen. The battery drain due to dual use of resources. Finally, the conclusion. Parallel Space stood among the top apps that user can use in 2018 for Android. It is still improving to optimize few of its limitations. Yeah. And thank you. That's end of my presentation. If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you.